Hello, everyone. Welcome to Finding Solutions Technology. Today, we're going to be working on download and installation for Eclipse. All right. So, first thing you want to do is go to your search bar here and just type in Eclipse, download. And then, once you're prompted for Windows 10, we're going to be downloading that. Once you get this pop up here, you're going to go to download, and it's going to take you to the Eclipse Foundation, eclipse.org. This is the original web page for Eclipse. So Eclipse is an integrated development environment. This is why you have IDE here. Essentially, it's a programming interface that you can develop on top of using different types of programming languages, for example, Java, Python, etc. So essentially, you just want to click on download here. I'm going to go here, and then this is the Canada download. So you just click on download. And as you guys can see, it's installing it here. One thing you want to do, guys, is go to my Java download and installation video prior to this so that you can have that available so you can actually execute a script to verify that your download is executed as expected. So we're going to go to open file. And then as this boots up here, the Eclipse installer. Okay, so they're going to have many options here. Um, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, the Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developers. So as you can see, you can use Java for, sorry, not Java. You can use Eclipse for a multitude of different reasons. We're going to be using Java, guys. So you want to use the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And then you're going to have your download location, the folder here. So you want to keep these checked, and then you just want to click on install, and then give that a moment to install into your device. Eclipse is very fundamental in the development process. It gives you an interface to develop on top of. So this is something you want to get installed into your system. And as you guys can see here in the description, the essential tools for any Java developer, including a Java IDE, a Git client, XML editor, Maven, and Gradle integration. So some of these tools listed here we'll be using, but as for now, don't worry too much about this here. We're going to get more into that in later videos. For now, you just want to install this into your machine, and then we're going to run a simple hello world program to execute a piece of code. All right, so next thing you want to do is just click launch, and then IDE, Eclipse IDE 2021 version is going to launch on our machine from our local workspace. Just want to click launch, and this is saying I have an older version. Continue the update workspace, which may make it incompatible with older versions. So I'm going to change my workspace because I do not want to edit the current workspace that I'm in. So I'm going to browse, and I am going to, just for this video, put it in the downloads so that I'm not overriding anything. Typically, you want to have your tools in your workspace, but we'll also cover that in later videos. Okay, so now that we have Eclipse IDE successfully installed into our machine, the next thing you want to do is just configurations and settings. Pretty much gives you like a quick tutorial, a walkthrough of how things work and where things are. We're going to just exit out of this. And then as you can see, this is your integrated development environment. This is where you're going to be writing your programs, writing your Java code, and actually executing your scripts. So this is going to be your bread and butter here. So the next thing you want to do is just get familiar with the file, the edit, source, refactor, navigate, search, project, run, window, and help. So if you're new to Eclipse IDE, you're going to want to go tab by tab and just understand or get an idea of what each tab offers. But for this video, we're just going to be running a simple hello world. So you guys want to click on this first link here, create a Java project, and we're just going to name it Java Basic Demo, and then finish and create. And as you guys can see, we have the nope, we don't want to use module. So this is a module that was created. We want to use a class. So new class, and we're just going to give it a basic name. Demo. Actually, we want to just say hello. All right, so we have the hello world class here. Must declare name and package because this compilation unit isn't associated with the name module. Okay, so we're going to want to go back and create a package. Okay, so let's create a package first. Demo package. Demo package. We're going to create a class. Hello world. Okay, so now we have the package associated. We have our class here, and we're just going to do a quick print to the console here. So you're going to want to type in MAIN and then do control spacebar. And that's just to create something called a main method. It's needed to execute scripts in Java or any type of code in Java. And then we're going to do a sysout, which is SYSOUT, and then control spacebar. It's a shortcut essentially for system out. This is just telling your compiler that you're going to be printing out something to the console. So let's just say this is a hello world. So essentially we have to save it, and then if you click this green button here that says run Java Hello World project, it's going to output information to this here called your console. That's a terminal, that's not your console. All right, so we want to go to show view, console. This is our console here. So whatever we output, we type into this code block here, it's going to output in your console here. So we're just going to go proceed. Name package underline module. Okay. So essentially, just want to delete this. right? And then we can go click on this, clear out that, and then we're going to execute. And then you'll see this is a hello world. So by using the main method and using this block of code here, the text we entered inside of the block of code was printed to the console here. This is a hello world. So pretty much, guys, we're going to go into detail on other videos pertaining to what the main method is, what system out print line is. But the main purpose of this video was to essentially download and install Eclipse to your Windows 10 machine, Windows 10 operating system, and then essentially perform a basic script and run it. So that's what we did here. If you guys like this type of video, like more of this type of content, definitely comment below, like the video. Please subscribe to Finding Solutions Technology. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.